Want to customize your decor and support a higher cause? With each purchase of this special chalk transfer from Chalk Couture, we will help light the world and open new doors by donating $2 US straight to Watts of Love to help with the amazing cause of bringing light to those in need. This transfer is such a great design with these cool vintage keys that you can customize any way you like. And I love the saying, it's a visual reminder that sometimes we need new solutions to unlock new opportunities. I've gathered all the key players that we need for this, a couple of tags and tools to show you how quick and easy this project comes together, all of which you can find on our website, chalkcouture.com. I'll start by cutting apart my transfer along the provided cut lines, just to separate each element. Now, I'll load some of my black velvet Chalkology Paste from the 3-ounce jar onto a color tray. I'm using my multi-tool, which is perfect for stirring and moving paste. I don't need much because I'm going to use our fine mist sprayer to add some water to water down the paste in the tray so I can actually use it as a paint or color wash for my tag mini. Using a paintbrush, I'll just make sure I wash the whole tag in black. While that dries, I'll work on my door tag. I just remove the transfer from the backer sheet and press it to the terry cloth side of our fuzzing cloth, which picks up a bit of lint to help gentle the adhesive and prevent transfer stretch. I'll center it on this door tag, which is perfectly suited for this B-size transfer, and ensure it adheres smoothly with no bubbles. I'll use my small squeegee, this is our most used and loved tool, and pick up a bit of black paste and smooth it over the transfer design. Once the screen area is covered, I'll scrape off the excess and load it back into the jar. Now it's time for the magic. I'll peel this transfer straight off and, oh wow, look how crisp and lovely that lettering is. Now I'll take the largest key element and prep it the same way by fuzzing it first, then position it below the phrase on my door tag. For this, I'm using shimmer gold paste, all that shine of glitter without the mess. I'll use a mini squeegee, perfect for the size of the key with no mess over the transfer edge, and cover the whole key, then peel it up. Once it's dry, I think I'll add another smaller key below using my same mini squeegee. This gold is perfect for that antique key look. For the third, medium-sized key, I'm going to apply it onto that painted tag mini. Always fuzzing first, then press it to my dry, color-washed surface. I'll use gold again here, and it is going to be so pretty on that black background. You can really see that sparkle there. To put these together, I sanded the edges of the tag mini, then tied the two tags together with some cute vintage ribbon and a mini farmhouse bead wreath. A couple simple accents really finish it off. It's so quick and so easy to create your own custom decor with Chalk Couture. And with this beautiful transfer, your contribution helps provide the key to unlock new opportunities through the mission of our incredible partner, Watts of Love. Please ask your Chalk Couture designer, visit our website at chalkcouture.com or wattsoflove.org for more about this amazing cause.